My channel. It's no secret that I genuinely trust Bobbi Brown brand, because the first product, as you guys know, I reviewed the concealer kit. I was bowled over. That product is so good. I'm already done with it, by the way. I had mentioned in the video, I genuinely do not like using foundation, so even when I have to go out, I just apply a little bit of the concealer from the concealer kit and I am literally good to go. It covers my dark circles like magic. I am not kidding. Obviously, once you start loving a product from a particular brand, you kind of build that trust and you end up buying something else too. So I purchased these three matte lipstick, if you might. It is like art sticks. These three shades. One of them is where is it? Hot pink. The other one is rose brown, and the third one is hot orange. I think it comes in 8 shades. I'm not sure. Obviously, I did not end up buying 8 because that's a lot of money, and I will literally go broke if I buy all of them. So obviously, I purchased these 3 colors because I love them, and I actually tried out different kind of lipsticks out there too, like a different kind of matte or a different kind of gloss, but I really ended up loving these and the colors are like amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to swatch them on my lips and my hand and probably give you guys an idea of how it looks. Let's get into it. I'm just going to get rid of my gloss and we will be trying these 3 shades on my lips. So as I was saying, I have swatched the hot orange color on my hand and this is how it looks. It is beautiful. It is kind of a dark, amazing red color. I don't know, it's just amazing and it will literally go on any skin tone. It's that beautiful. Okay, so this is how the hot orange color looks on my lips. It is so beautiful. It glides very easily. It is a matte color. I mean, just look at it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and get rid of it and apply the second color. Next color that I'm gonna go ahead with is the hot pink. I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand first. This is how the hot pink looks. Okay guys, this is how hot pink looks on my lips. Again, a very beautiful color. I somehow feel the hot pink and the hot orange have a little neon kind of a feeling to it. It really shines out. It is so bright. I love it. It is beautiful. It literally looks like you've actually applied something on your lips. Also, I bite my lips a lot. That is why like it gets a little crunchy. But again, it's a beautiful pink color. It's bright. It's nice. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get the third one. That is the last art stick that I have. And I'm just going to swatch it on my hand and show you guys how it looks. It's a very different color. It's like a brownish. So yeah. Okay, so the last color that I have is the rose brown color. I am gonna swatch it. So this is how it looks. Okay guys, so this is how the brown color looks on my lips. It's nice, it's beautiful. I'm not saying that it is not a good color, but I'm just wondering, does it look good on me? I don't know. My mom's a little fair, so somehow I feel it looks good on her. I have no shade to any skin type, please. Okay, so I love this color too. It's very different. My orange and pink colors, they are like bright, and this one is like neutral, kind of nude, and a little. It has this brown color tinge to it, which is really good if you're not a person who is fond of bright colors. So yeah, this is how it looks. Again these are the three swatches. This is the hot pink, this is the hot orange, and this is the rose brown. Yeah, this is the rose brown. So yeah, this is it for my review for the Bobbi Brown art sticks. Again, you can choose from any shade that you want, depends on your skin tone, or if you do not want to purchase all 8 or 4 or 3, you can just go ahead with one that you could just use on most of your outfits. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and if you do, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram and Musically. It is at Purvi. And if you guys want me to review any particular product, then please let me know. I will literally go ahead, purchase it, use it for 2 weeks, and definitely give you a good review on it. And that is it. I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.